how I created 10 streams of income starting with nothing. I just want you to know that there are a lot of opportunities out there. There are many platforms and invitations anyone can leverage to build the life they want from scratch, starting today. That has been my mission for the past decade. From building the first platform, creating awareness on scholarships, grants and funding opportunities for students and entrepreneurs in Africa, to sharing insights on the future of skills and jobs. Of late, I share personal stories to encourage someone to take this thing seriously. In this video, I am going to show you how I started from nothing to create 10 streams of income generating and capital appreciating assets. My goal is that it spurs someone to accept the challenge to go after the life they desire against all odds. I run a digital technology-driven business generating six-figure revenue from 3 distinct sources: investments in real estate properties, US stock market, US real estate market, Eurobond, agriculture crowdfunding, cryptocurrency and seed investment in a handful of startups. But it all started with nothing, just a Nokia 3230 phone, less than $30 and the determination to succeed against all odds. With no money, no connection and no shoulders to stand on, I accepted these limitations as a challenge, and that made all the difference. How did I do it? I can't possibly share all the details in this video, but I'll try to give you an actionable summary. To be clear, if you're looking for a magic bullet that will make you rich overnight without lifting a finger, this video is not for you. The important thing is not whether you build 1 stream or 10 streams of income. The important thing is that you grow and expand your influence as a human being as you add more years to your life. Just focusing on money is an ignorant strategy. If you are ready to accept the challenges to move ahead of your limitations and expand your influence, then be sure to watch this video to the end. Why I'm building multiple streams of income. You see, I have known poverty, and I hate poverty with everything I hold dear. Even worse, I hate to be a once upon a timer. There is a proverb in Pidgin English: I get time before, no be property. This translates that the success you had and lost does not translate to any tangible asset in the present. What matters is how you're doing today and how you will be doing tomorrow. Growing up, I have seen a lot of families who were once rich and living comfortably fall back into lack due to poor financial management. It's almost a common phenomenon. I don't want that to be my story. If I was rich yesterday, I want to be richer today and even better off tomorrow. This mindset led me to develop the capability to manage money judiciously from my early days of handling money. When it comes to money, I have learned to delay gratification today for greater reward tomorrow. I've been able to make money out of nothing and to keep and grow most of what I make using the following steps. Start with your potent money. Think of it like this: when you say a man is impotent, you are saying that the man does not have the capability to make babies with a fertile woman. The opposite is a potent man. That is a man who has the capability to make babies with a fertile woman. You don't define a potent man by the number of babies he has made. A potent man is potent whether he has made babies before or not. All he needs to do to make babies is to engage with a fertile woman. This is similar to how to make money from nothing. The truth is that there is no such thing as nothing. Just like a potent man carries the potential to make babies, every one of us, including you, carries the potential to make money regardless of how your bank account looks. Just like a potent man needs to engage a fertile woman to produce results, in this case, a new human being, you have to engage your potent money to a market demand to produce money. Every one of us has potent money in the form of our interest, abilities, skills, and unique experiences. The best way to start your journey to grow your wealth is with your potential wealth or potent money. In other words, your skill, ability, or unique experience needs to have an intercourse with fertile market needs to produce money. For me, my potent money was my online research and writing skills, as well as my interest in career development. I engaged these potentials with people's needs for information to advance their career to build a business. This intercourse has produced offspring of solid revenue over the years. What is your potent money? You see, money can be identified even before its birth. Ideas, passion, skills, interest, even opinions can be potential money. Think about it. Most of the social media influencers today are just ordinary people who have strong opinion about a subject or industry. To unlock the money offspring in your loins, you need to identify your potent money, believe in it enough to nurture and marry it up to a market need. Your potent money may be your knowledge about or interest in relationships, politics, coding, personal development, or creative works. Once you identify what your potent money is, align it to a market need and use technology to amplify your influence. Automate. When you start producing offspring of real money from your engagement with what people want, your next task is to build a system around your business to automate process. This means using technology tools to ensure a continuous flow of customers or users, using digital tools to communicate with your customers effectively, and to produce and deliver your service. It also means hiring people to handle relevant tasks so as to free up time for the next phase of your wealth creation. We already have a number of videos on technology tools to automate your venture. Look them up and learn. Consolidate. To consolidate is to make something stronger. It is also to combine a number of things into a single, more effective whole. A common mistake people make when trying to diversify their income is to jump into different things that are not related too early. For example, some people who started making money selling corporate shoes online diversify into setting up a moto spare parts shop. The rather smarter thing to do is expand his corporate shoe business into other types of shoes or other corporate items like ties, suits, and jacket. For me, consolidation involved creating more products that are relevant to my existing business, publishing books, started a YouTube channel, and offered training and consulting services. The reason consolidation is so important is that it gives you room to delve deeper into your industry and field of interest. So don't be in a hurry to diversify to something entirely different from your foundational income source. If you consolidate effectively, you may find that you have increased your source of income to up to 3. Diversify investment for long and short term. You lose money when you leave your money in bank savings account. I'm always researching about and experimenting on investment opportunities. Once I started making substantial income from consolidating my business, I started investing in assets such as real estate and few startups for long-term value appreciation. I also invest in US stock, US real estate, and Eurobond markets. For short term, I earn up to 30% investing in local or Greek funding. I also invest cryptocurrency, but be careful to choose this route. I put only what I can afford to lose in cryptocurrency. The bulk of my portfolio is in real estate, stock, and Eurobond markets. Some sources ensure steady cash flow, while others are long-term investment for value appreciation. Here is something that may shock you. Apart from physical landed property, each of these income sources has one thing in common. I manage them from my mobile phone. In other words, they are all technology-driven, and you can do them from your smartphone. From US stock investment to US real estate, Eurobond, cryptocurrency to agree crowdfunding, I manage all of this from my phone. If you are just starting out, focus first on turning what you have into money by engaging your potent money with a market need. Automate and consolidate your income source, then diversify into short and long-term investments. It's not that complicated. You just have a lot to learn and a lot of work to do. All you have to do is accept the challenge. Until next time, your success matters.